As the train slowly came to a halt, a crack team stormed inside the coaches, taking others by surprise. And within minutes, over 30 children who were being trafficked from Katihar in Bihar to Delhi rushed out of the compartment, crying profusely in joy. Real-time coordination with Satyarthi Movement's Bachpan Bachao Andolan, or BBA, not only helped the police rescue the children but also nab 17 traffickers as well. And this isn't an isolated case. The pandemic has led to an exponential rise in trafficking of late.
During the pandemic, the conditions in the source areas like Bihar, Jharkhand and all has become very bad, especially in terms of economy. The schools were closed, children were free, parents did not have money and funds, so many of them have taken loan from the money lenders. And in this situation, traffickers had a field day also, and they felt that the children can be sent for work and earning money.
Bachpan Bachao Andolan has rescued more than 9,000 trafficked children and aided agencies in arresting 260 traffickers from trains, buses and factories since the beginning of the pandemic. And this has been largely possible due to Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation's unique survivor-led intelligence network spread across high-risk districts. Survivor leaders act as Satyarthi Movement's eyes and ears on the ground and pass on real-time information to the agencies concerned and respective state teams for crackdown on traffickers.
सर्वाइवर जो रहे हैं वो चलाते हैं इस पूरे नेटवर्क को, और जो सोर्स एरिया है जहां से ट्रैफिकिंग होती है वहां पे ये नेटवर्क काम करता है, और वो अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है अपने सोर्सेस के थ्रू जो है गांव से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं, और कलेक्ट करने के बाद हमारे आगे नेटवर्क में, स्टेट में, डिस्ट्रिक्ट में इन्फॉर्म करते हैं, और उसके बेस पे अगर कोई ट्रैफिकर जो है बच्चों को लेके जा रहा है ट्रेन में, बस में या किसी प्राइवेट व्हीकल में, तो वो इंफॉर्मेशन पास करते हैं.
Every 8 minutes, a child goes missing in India. Millions of missing children may have been trafficked and end up in forced labor, slavery and sex work. Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation's Justice for Every Child campaign aims to provide legal and mental health support to victims across the country whose childhood has been robbed by sexual predators. Extend a helping hand and join the campaign to ensure child victims of rape and sexual abuse receive the support they need to get justice. Bureau Report, NDTV.